I wouldn't want to fight them in their own shit on their playground with their fake. Okay, so I'm just saying, I'm getting worked up. You know what I mean? Think about it. Why would you want to do that? What chance do you have? Oh, wait. Are you waiting for the judge to rule in your favor? No. No, what we do, we make them go sit their happy ass down. We beat them in the face until they go sit the hell down. That's the only way to do it from where I'm sitting. Now, we have added some things in the program now for the people that don't like doing all the punching and the beating, and they can do the kicking after they ass get So strengthening your own shit, adding a statement of constitutional emergency, adding the players to it, to their own shit. That's the number one way, But look, on the state court level, you can't go in here and expect them to do anything. That's not the way we have this set up. Maybe in the beginning, but not now. No, we file federal case law and federal acts in the state court shit. All right, it's a wrap. The case is done. They can't do shit because they can't respond to. Okay, well, now we add their asses to their own shit. So in the fake ass municipal court, you just won't do that. Then if you got time and you're not worried about them moving on you, then you get the shit filed in federal court and have them people serve shit, file the RICO shit. So now you're suing them for illegal eviction process and not all of that other shit over there that requires. You see what I'm saying? Adding the players to their own shit, adding a statement of constitutional emergency, strengthens your shit. But you can strengthen your shit all you want in state court. We only do that to buy time to get your ass over there because we ain't arguing nothing in state. Why would you? Why would you want to argue a freaking thing in state court when you already know that the statutes and codes are non-valid laws? They make their own bullshit up. They're totally screwing you over totally. Why would you want to go argue anything in that shit? I don't understand the people that do that. I mean, even if I didn't know shit about what somebody else is saying and what they're saying makes sense, what the judge ain't gonna rule nothing and give you shit because that motherfucker got paid already. They got paid to throw your ass under the bus or send your ass to jail or both. But people have a hard time looking at it this way. They have a hard time dropping all of that other bullshit that they were doing. They have a hard time just dropping that. My son, all of my kids are badasses. Okay, my oldest son, he's in the military. He's a captain. He's been in there for a long time. He was telling me that when my people are having, I just asked him, how's that shit working for you? How is that working for you? It's not. If it was, we wouldn't be having a conversation. And sometimes the hardest thing that I have is trying to be patient with people who do the check down. Well, we do this. Well, the last time I did that, they threw me out. Well, this, well, that. Well, none of that shit has a damn thing to do with the fuck right now. Unless you were doing what I'm telling you to do back then, and I'm pretty damn sure it wasn't, because that's not what people are saying that are doing the shit that we're doing right now. So I'm just like, okay, you know what? I didn't want to hear none of that shit no more. Let me know when you get the first fucking step done. Okay, when you get the first step done, let me know. And then we'll go, okay, because I guarantee you that you ain't going to get treated the same way if you do the shit right. Do it the way we're doing it now. And stopping the eviction process, stopping the state court. That's what I'm going to say. Stopping the court process. I put the eviction shit on there so people will come and learn. Okay? It don't matter. You're stopping the court process. We was suing for the reason why now we're just stopping the court process. And when you get it stopped, you can demand to do whatever the hell you need to have done. And that's something that y'all asses should be getting in your head before you even start doing this shit, unless you want to do it a different way, or do it with what you've learned in your life from the legal shit growing up, which is pretty much all bullshit. I'm just going to say most of what we learned and we were indoctrinated, was told bullshit. And it starts with people thinking they have rights. People get so angry that they threw your shit out and I have these rights. And you didn't got to be an athlete for 100 years that you that you'd be good with the big old G's. But you don't have no damn rights. And I'm just going to tell your asses that shit right now. Your asses don't have no rights. You have the right to get a fucking card like this is what you got the right to do. The only rights that you have are the ones that you get when you're willing to stand the hell up or sit the hell down like Dr. Honeyman and demand that your rights be respected. End of the story. Oh, Coach, what if they're mad? I don't give a fuck if they're mad. If their ass ain't mad, you better go home and throw your shit out in the yard. I'm just saying. That's I'm on a private thing. I ain't got to worry about that. If their ass ain't pissed the hell off, then your ass ain't doing shit. You ain't getting shit done. You ain't getting shit done. Okay, so what else Stephanie do? We call them. In addition to blast, emailing everybody your documents and all of your shit, you can make videos like Dr. Honeyman did. Make some videos.